Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Chimakova. You're welcome to the Chimako family. If you're new here, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make your own personal avatar, Facebook avatar. You have to come to your Facebook profile, then you go to a post, your comment section in a post. Then you'd see this smile button. You hit the smile button. When you hit the smile button, it would take you to an avatar section where you can create your own avatar, guys. So you click the avatar, and when you click that, it will give you many options like to choose from. If you can't find it there, you come to this other side, this blue page, and you check the second button there. You would find it. Or another thing you can do is to try to update your Facebook. Like if your Facebook is not updated, you try and update your Facebook, and when you go to that blue option, you would see the Facebook avatar there already. So guys, when you get to the avatar, you can create and customize your own avatar, and here you can see different options given to you. You can change the shape, your body shape, your outfit, your hair color, you can put a mustache. You can just create anything you want to do for yourself with this avatar, guys. And when you're done, then you've created your own avatar. Then you can put your avatar in the comment section. You can put your avatar